According to educational psychology, learning techniques often deemed useless can hinder effective education and skill acquisition. Here are some common examples of these methods, along with explanations of why they may not be beneficial for the students. Cursive writing has been a staple in educational curricula for many years. However, its practical application has diminished significantly in the digital age. Many students find cursive writing difficult to read and write, which is less relevant given the prevalence of typing and digital communication. While arguments exist for its historical significance and potential benefits in developing fine motor skills, the necessity of cursive writing in everyday life is increasingly questioned. Memorizing the digits of pi symbol, beyond a few decimal places serves little practical purpose for most students. In real-world applications, calculators and computers can provide pi to many more digits than any human could memorize. The focus on memorization detracts from understanding mathematical concepts and problem-solving skills, which are far more valuable in academic settings and everyday life. While familiarity with the periodic table is important for chemistry students, requiring all students to memorize it verbatim can be counterproductive. Chemists often use reference materials during their work, making rote memorization less critical than understanding how to apply chemical principles effectively. Instead of focusing solely on memorization, teaching students how to interpret and utilize the periodic table would foster deeper learning. Standardized tests often prioritize memorization over critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Teaching to the test can lead to superficial learning, where students focus on passing exams rather than truly understanding the material. This approach can stifle creativity and discourage genuine interest in subjects, as students may become disengaged when they perceive learning as merely a means to an end. Many traditional educational methods rely heavily on passive consumption of information, such as listening to lectures or watching videos, without active engagement or application of knowledge. This technique often leads to poor retention and understanding because it does not encourage critical thinking or practical application of concepts learned. Teaching historical facts without providing context or relevance can make history feel disconnected from students' lives today. Learners who do not see how historical events relate to current issues or their own experiences may struggle to engage with the material meaningfully. In summary, while specific traditional learning techniques have their place, many are becoming outdated or ineffective in fostering proper understanding and skill development in today's educational landscape. To learn more about such topics, visit our website.